lang. And then, ganda nga ng backsound nila lahat. Oo, lahat pinaksound. Kahapon nila.
Ano sabi ni Jaron? Yun mo naman ba?
Sabi ko nga sa kanya sa huli, minindis ko ah.
Pero re-rebound din mo.
Ay, nakalimutan. Nire-rebound pala. Wala dumiretso sa airport si Coach.
Oo.
Si Coach.
Ayun.
Delete daw flight eh.
Gandang pabaon.
Coach, akala ko nag-airport ka na.
Ha?
Akala ko dumiretso sa airport.
Mamaya pa. Diretso.
Coach, gandang pabaon.
Thank you. Thank you lang. That's actually the objective. To get the victory today. So, hirap eh. Kasi if you travel for, ilan ba yan? Maybe about 20 hours. Tapos talo ka. Baka hindi ako makatulog for 20 hours thinking about the game. So, ngayon, medyo okay. Thanks to my players. Coaching staff.
Nung last play, may gulat ka ba? Na bumax out na talaga sila?
Box out na. Ay, I mean,
Yung
lahat bumax out.
bumax out. Walang rumibond sa Lasal.
Actually, hindi.
Ay, sa amin.
No.
Hindi, pero siguro maganda doon yung instinct ni Mike. Dahil, of course, ang instruction namin sa kanila was make sure to match up, hindi tayo matakbo, hindi tayo masyutan. So, actually then, on his part, that was a gamble. Kasi kung bilan ako lahat na nakashoot yung tao niya. Okay? But sometimes you just have to trust your instinct.
Coach, away sa final four.
Oh, diba?
9 ang magic number.
9 is the magic. Ilan na ba tayo?
88, Coach. So, ang sabi niyo dun,
We'll try to get there. Again, focus on the next game. Saturday, we're playing Saturday. So, again, we'll prepare for the next opponent.
Coach, just 26 points in the first half and then 26 in the third quarter. Anong sinabi mo?
26 sa third.
Sa third, yeah. Anong sinabi mo sa mga bata pa? Anong adjustments sa ginawa niyo?
Ano sinabi ko ngayon? Ano sinabi ko na halftime?
Sa mali namin. Yung mga sabi ni Coach na dami na namin mali. Pero 9 points ka lang yung lamang sa amin. So yun yung naging nagtama sa amin.
So, offensively, ano sinabi ko ng halftime? Being tentative.
Tentative, so nawala yun ng second half.
Yeah. Kasi, it was very obvious na tentative sila. I don't know why. Maybe because we play a perceived finalist. So, baka pati yung mind sa mga players ko nako-condition na din. Yeah, so, I need your help to counter that. Okay, not just talk about those perceived finalists. So, sabi lang namin, you cannot be tentative, especially going up against a strong team, a very, very strong team in Lasal. So, you cannot be tentative. Okay, sinasabi namin, sometimes you have an opening, ayaw natin atakin. Sometimes you have an open shot, like si Russell Escoto just made 3 jumpers yata, and then all of a sudden, he gets the ball, ang tao na naka-atras sa kanya, hindi na tinira. So, yun lang inalis namin. I think in the third quarter, FU just played their game, we were back to our attack mode.
Coach, you swept LaSalle this season. So, if ever you and LaSalle meet in the Final Four, how much confidence does it bring, knowing that you guys swept them?
Again, LaSalle is not yet 100%. Pag nakita mo naman, Mopstal, Kulang-Kulang, Kid Montalvo, sandali ang gamit. So, this is not the LaSalle na alam natin eh. Diba? So, meaning in the future, you can be confident going up against them. Kahit na nanalo kami ng 2 beses. Si Coach Juris has been coaching them very well. Kahit na underman siya, nagagawa niya ng paraan. We'll see kung saan kami babagsak. Again, nothing is guaranteed yet. We just need to focus on the next game, try to win more games for our team.
Thoughts mo sa, kumbaga, yung potential ng team mo, yung sweep yung Lasal, sweep yung NU, may pagkakataon kayo makabawi sa atin. So yung takbo naman, pwede pang mag-rumble-rumble yung 4.
Ano yung question?
Ano yung tingin mo sa potential ng team mo going to the ano?
I always believed in the potential of my team. Mahirap pumunta sa gera na hindi ka naniniwala sa mga tao mo, di ba? lang muna. Sabihin niyo, parang sinasabi.
So, Coach, definitely your team is in good hands last time.
Yeah, good hands. Meaning at the next 2 games na wala ako. Yeah.
Coach, kahit you guys ended up winning the game, were you disappointed that the team surrendered an 8-point lead with 3 minutes to go?
Hindi naman. Again, you go up against a perceived finalist and expect it to come back. No safe is, no lead is safe. So, babalik at babalik sila. That's why for us, especially going to the last few minutes, you cannot commit mistakes because they will take advantage. So, buti na lang nung huli, nagawa nila ng parang
Coach, 2 games lang yung mamimiss ninyo.
yeah, 2 games.
And confident naman kayo sa without you.
Again, our team is based on ang relationship namin sa team is based on trust. So right now, I think we developed yung bang malaking trust na sa isa't isa na kahit mawala ang isa, alam namin na kayang punan ng iba. Actually, going to this game, we weren't really sure about Mike kasi nasa hospital siya right after our game nung Saturday, diretso siya sa hospital, so na-confine sa kahapon lang kami nagkita. So hindi ko rin alam what to expect going to the game, and good thing he performed again.
Mike, kumusta yung yung sakit?
Medyo namamaga pa yung sa tonsillitis ko, so nagagamot pa yun. Pero yung fever ako.
Mike, anong naasahan mo sa team now? Sa susunod dalawang linggo, wala si Coach na.
Kung tutuloy pa rin namin yung sistema na iniwan niya sa amin bago siya umalis, so magiging okay naman kami sa the next 2 games.
Ay, kailan ka na-discharge pala?
Kahapon lang.
Nakapag-practice ka pa kapon.
Mabot ako. Late.
Hinabol nga talaga para yesterday was more mental kay Mike. Understanding lang the game plan, hindi naman masyado namin siya bumalik sa hospital.
Happy trip, Coach.
Happy trip, Coach.
Thank you.
Happy trip, Coach.
Laban.